This is Christina for Sunrise Windows, and today we are going to talk about changing out a shoe for a double hung window. Today we are going to be working with a double hung that uses a block and tackle type balance system. The tools you will need are a flathead screwdriver and a set of jam spreaders. Jam spreaders can be purchased online at several different retailers. The first step is to remove the sashes from the main frame. If it's a single hung window, you will only remove the lock sash. If you're unfamiliar with how to remove a sash, please watch our double hung sash removal video. Also remove any balance covers that might get in the way. Once the sashes are removed, you will want to remove the balance string. Taking a flathead screwdriver, insert the head of the screwdriver into the O-ring, pulling the O-ring out and releasing it up until it can no longer travel. As a warning, the O-ring and string are under pressure, so be careful when removing it from the shoe. Using your flathead screwdriver, turn the center of the shoe clockwise to release it. Move it to an area towards the center of the window, but to an area where you will have enough room to set one jam spreader on top and one jam spreader on the bottom. Set your jam spreader in place and tighten them just enough to keep them from moving. Once they are positioned and set, you can begin to turn the jam spreader and widen the opening. Switch back and forth between the top and bottom jam spreaders to evenly open the frame. Use your flathead screwdriver to pull the shoe out of the frame. Once the old shoe is out, you can replace it with the new shoe. Release the jam spreaders evenly and slowly, removing them once they become loose. Check the function of the shoe to make sure it's locking and unlocking. Using your flathead screwdriver, pull the string back down and lock it into the shoe. Put the balance covers back and your sashes back into place. Job complete. We hope these tips and tricks were able to help you, and if you have any further questions, please contact your dealer or contact us